Today we will tour 21895 N Rummler Ln in Maricopa, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you want to call home. Service Star Realty has been doing property management in Maricopa, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Maricopa. Explore this recently built 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home in Maricopa, offering 1,338 square feet of thoughtfully designed living space. Located in a welcoming neighborhood with easy access to local amenities and highways, this home combines comfort and convenience. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's leaseaz.com. Here we have a spacious bathroom with a tub shower combination. This home also features an internal laundry with a washer and dryer. Constructed in 2022, this home features a contemporary open floor plan, perfect for modern living. The kitchen is fully equipped with modern appliances, ample cabinetry, and sleek countertops, providing both style and functionality. And finally, the primary suite offers comfort with an ensuite bathroom, while additional bedrooms provide flexibility for family, guests, or a home office. Schedule a tour today to see all that this property has to offer.